Okay, I'm getting ready to pull this thing out of here. Well, down below there's a quick release system. And you got to use a pole with threads. Hopefully the threads aren't rusted out enough that it's gonna hold on to it. I need to put a quick handle on here. Hold on. Alright, hey Dana. Now what you're doing is you're looking down inside your well, and the wire's in the way. If I can, in the way. In the way. Come off this side. Alright, beautiful. Okay, they might be able to see down there. Like I said, there's a quick disconnect, and top of it is I believe it's like a 3/8 or a 1/2 inch plug, and you're able to screw another pipe into that, and then you're able to pull it up. Well, of course, this has been down there for 25, 26 years now. And what I should have done when I pulled it out 3 years ago, I should have made sure I had a solid adapter on that thing, so I could. So I made the pole to do that, and unfortunately, I'm afraid the threads are all gone on it now. So I'm gonna have to make another thing here with a hook on it and get up underneath there and yank it up. So I'm still gonna try this and see if I got enough thread that it's gonna hold. So we're gonna do this. And of course, when I get it up here, you can see it's a wedge, basically wedge with a hole, and then it's got a O-ring on the inside of it. And then when the wedge goes together, it does its thing. It locks in. I thought I had the originally. I didn't realize I had the. What's going on here? Why are you scaring me like you're not tight? Yeah, you're scaring me like you're not tight. I'd hate to drop that down in there. This is brand spanking new, so it's got brand new threads on it. All right. This thing goes down 20 feet. The wedge is at 10, I think. It's a 10 foot piece here. He's sitting on it. I can't see the hole. All right. Going in it. Oh, okay. What I want to do is I want to put air on it. I'm gonna blow that out. Oh jeez. Oh jeez. I'm gonna blow it out. See if. I inhaled before I blew out. Okay, so I got my air tank right here, 60 psi. Have to make sure that it's cleaned out. Now, yeah. Okay. I don't know, I got freaking Justin and I can't see. Might have a bad angle. Something happened. think. Yeah. Nope. Not starting. Yeah. I may have to dig around this thing to where the boot, this is a boot over this thing. And I think my angle is bad. It's starting. Whoa, buddy. I think I'm gonna have to dig around this a little bit so I can take this piece off of here. Alright, stop recording. Alright. Get a little better shot now. You can see down there. And I've got my, if I get my, see if I can get my adapter to screw in there after I pull that off of there. Now we're 4 feet shorter than we were. So let me get that in there. Okay, well, my dilemma is right now I can't get the threads to go into that fitting. So what I'm doing right now is I'm making a hook. Well, unfortunately my lower hook here is a little bit too long, so I got to cut it off and adapt it back into my pipe. Shoot. All right. Gotta be creative sometimes. All right. I'll back this out. And I can't remember if that's hardened steel. Yeah. Might be hardened. Might be hardened steel. See if this thing will. Oh yeah, that'll connect. No problem. Okay, now I gotta get back out. Alright, no problem. Get my sawzall. Cut that off. Guess I'd cooked that one earlier. I'm just doing the new thing. That's the wall. Out of there. Okay, let's try that one. Alright. Hope so. I think that's might call a hardened steel bolt. Let's see if I can get it to go back in. Okay. Ooh. Bad angle. Sadly. Oh man. Whole spin out. Not facing the way I want to. One more, come on. One more. Now what that hook? Oh. So I know it's not going to slip off once I get it. There we go. Okay. There we go. So when I go underneath that thing, I want to be able to grab it, and then we'll be able to pull it up. Okay. I'm gonna quit here in a second. Lunch. Last time I had to work on this pump was in November. Not good. Freaking freezing. Probably about, I would say, 35 to 40 pounds of water in the water line, and it ain't gonna drain. it's not going to drain out. It's a one-way. There's a one-way check valve in that, I believe. Let's see if I got it right. It's too long early. Alright. Cut you guys off for a minute until I can see if it works.